Have you noticed something interesting that's happening over the last few years? The UAE is no longer seen just as a tourist destination or a place for tax-free salaries. Today, it's becoming one of the world's fastest growing hubs for professionals, entrepreneurs, global leaders, and senior professionals. In fact, thousands of multinational companies from the world over have made Dubai and Abu Dhabi their base, creating a demand for experienced leadership. To support this long-term vision, the UAE government introduced a number of residency programs, one of the most significant being the Golden Visa. Now, whenever people hear Golden Visa, the first thing that comes to their mind, I need to spend crores, I need to invest in a property, or it's only for the ultra rich. But that's not the complete picture, guys. There is also a no investment pathway for Golden Visas for eligible professionals and entrepreneurs. In this video, I'll explain what the program actually is, the eligibility criteria, who all can apply, benefits, documents required, the complete application process, and some common ethics. And towards the end, I'll also highlight one very important point that most applicants miss out on. So let's begin. Let's first understand what this visa actually is. So the UAE Golden Visa is a 10-year residency permit issued by the UAE government to attract exceptional talent into the country. So unlike other residency permits that are attached to an employer, this residency visa gives eligible candidates more stability and flexibility to work, study, or live in the UAE. The objective is simple. The UAE wants to retain top talent from around the world. That's why this program is designed for individuals with a strong professional background and not just investors. Now the biggest question, who can actually apply? According to the guidelines of this program, this is primarily for entrepreneurs and senior professionals. This includes senior corporate professionals like CEOs, CFOs, COOs, or senior leadership from multinational companies. This is also suitable for startup founders, entrepreneurs, business leaders, and senior working professionals. So if you've spent years building your career, leading teams, and working in large organizations, this program may be worth exploring. The key is understanding if your profile matches the eligibility requirements. Now let's discuss its benefits. This isn't just a residence permit. It's designed for long-term stability. Secondly, you don't need a local sponsor. That means you have more flexibility while looking for work even while you're in the UAE. Travel flexibility is another important advantage. There are no restrictions on entering or exiting the UAE, and there is no minimum or maximum length of stay for Golden Visa holders. And for many applicants, one of the biggest advantages is family sponsorship and domestic help. Eligible Golden Visa holders can sponsor spouse, children, and dependent parents. They may also sponsor domestic helpers subject to UAE regulations. These benefits make the program especially attractive for people who are planning a long-term future in the UAE. Now let's simplify the process. It's not very complicated, it just needs a structured approach. Step 1 is eligibility verification. This is by far the most important step during your onboarding process. Before anything else, we need to review and verify your documents whether you match the minimum eligibility criteria. This is the most important step because this helps us evaluate whether your profile is fit for the Golden Visa process onboarding or not. Step 2, profile evaluation and approval. Once your documents are submitted, your profile is forwarded for further evaluation and a final approval. This review generally takes 48 to 72 hours depending on the complexity of your case. Step 3 is the nomination approval. Once your nomination is approved, you have up to 90 days to travel to UAE to complete your Golden Visa application. And then the final step, the applicant is required to travel to Dubai for a minimum of 5 working days to complete biometrics, medical, and any other government formality. Overall, it's a very well-defined process as long as your documents are in order. Documents required. Typically, all applicants are required to submit these documents. Submitting complete and accurate documentation will help make the evaluation process much smoother. Now let's answer some common questions related to the no investment Golden Visa. People often ask us, do we need to give up our existing residency? The answer is no. UAE gives a 10-year residency, which is extendable, of course. It does not give you an option of becoming an Emirati resident. So you do not become a resident of the UAE and you do not lose your original citizenship. Other most popular question is there a minimum stay requirement? The answer is no. There is no minimum or maximum stay requirement and there is no restriction on entry or exit from the UAE. Can you sponsor your family? Of course you can. Your parents, spouse, and unmarried children can all be a part of this program. They get access to free healthcare, world-class education, and all other government benefits. Can you sponsor your domestic staff? Yes, you can for a shorter span of time and as per the UAE regulations. Can I buy a property or start a business? Of course you can. You can buy property in all freehold designated areas and run a business or start a business without any other local partnership. How long does this process take? It takes typically 3 to 4 weeks depending on the client profile and the documentation. How to apply for it is very simple. Go to our website dudigitalglobal.com, fill in the form and wait for a call back. We will assist you end to end. You'll also find the direct link in the description. One important thing to remember. Before you apply, here's something worth remembering. Golden Visa isn't a one-size-fits-all program. Different categories have different eligibility requirements and therefore different documentation. That's why it's always advisable to have your profile assessed first. Professional eligibility review helps us understand if you make the appropriate category and start your journey with the right documentation. If you want to expand your business, build your career, or look at long-term opportunities in the UAE, the UAE Golden Visa is an option worth considering. If you'd like to know whether you're eligible under the No Investment Golden Visa category, our team can help you with a professional profile assessment and guide you through every stage of the application process. You'll find the details in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please send it to someone who may need it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.